Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily archive all Instagram posts at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at your profile picture. That opens up your profile page, and from here, if you want to archive some specific post, you can just hold down at that post and then hit add archive. That moves that post from your posts feed to the archive. And of course, if you want to archive just one post or maybe a couple of posts, you can do it just one by one. But if you want to archive multiple posts at the same time, you need to hit at these three lines. Then hit add your activity, photos and videos, and then just hit add posts. That shows you all your posts sorted by date from newest to oldest, and if you want to bulk archive this post, you should tap at select, and then you can just select those posts one by one in that way to select all the posts that you want to archive. And once you did that, just hit right here where it says archive to archive multiple posts at once. Just confirm it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.